The 2005 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, clock, bucket seats, rear window defroster, daytime running lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.